Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be writing the names of animals and their homes. Cow. Cow lives in shed. 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 Horse. Horse lives in stable. 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 Hen or chicken. They live in coop. Coop. Dog. Dog lives in kennel. Kennel. Next one. Cat. Cat lives in Cattery. Cattery. Pig. Stay. Pigs lives in stay. Ant lives in ant hill. Snake. Snake lives in hole. Rabbit. Rabbit lives in burrow. Lion. Lion lives in den. Bee lives in hive. Bear. Bear lives in cave. Bird. Birds live in nest. Nest. Spider. Spider lives in web. Duck. Duck lives in pond.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.